No way, you actually click! I'll be showing you guys how you can interact or pick my future videos. But before that, let me properly introduce myself. My name is Cookies, and I want to become a hybrid digital creator. This basically means knowing how to create digital art, 3D modeling, animations, game developing, like a lot of stuff. Here's a little backstory to why I want to become a hybrid digital creator. Back then, I was a regular person playing games, looking at other people's beautiful art, watching animations, watching YouTubers. I was deeply inspired by all of them. I felt I wanna make these stuff as well, but I couldn't pick, so I chose them all. So far since I made this channel, I made art and Blender videos, and going to make other contents too. And this is how you can interact with my channel or pick my future videos. I'm going to make videos like I draw 100 of your comments, or I made 3D Blender models from your comments. All you have to do is interact on my post. Just comment on it and ta-da! You may appear on my videos. And this is how you can pick my future videos. Just comment on any video or post and convince me I'll make it into a video. Disclaimer, but we need a lot of comments to make these two possible. I'm not forcing you, but subscribing, liking, commenting, these buttons pushes the video to more audience so I can have more people to comment and make these videos. Or someone to fully convince me to make a video. One last thing I gotta notify. Since I'm 17 and still goes to school, my videos might take a while to make. And when you guys suggest me to do videos that I have zero experience for now, it's going to be extremely hard for me to immediately make it. Oh, my time is running out. Stay safe and have a nice day.
You've got mail.
Hello guys! So I gotta notify one thing about the hybrid digital creator thing I said. So when I mean like knowing how to make all those art, animating, 3D modeling, game developing, I mean like having some skill of it and not mastering it. Cause is that even possible? And also when I'm learning this stuff, I'll be majoring a skill or a few from the categories. I'm still going to try learn all of them and having some sort of skill of it. Anyways, that's all I gotta notify. And again, stay safe and have a nice day.